While on a day trip to Guatape, we were shocked by how beautiful the town was, how generous the people were, and having the opportunity to explore one of Pablo Escobar's compounds in Colombia. Having an exclusive look into one of Colombia's most precious gems alongside some of their worst history made the day quite unique. Guatape is about 2 hours away from Medellin. It's definitely a must-see if you are in Colombia. I've never experienced this level of generosity from the people before. The people of Colombia love their tourists and will go out of their way to show you a good time. While exploring this beautiful town, we came across individuals that gave us free shots and welcomed us into their home for a free tour. We definitely weren't expecting the people of Guatape to be so friendly. Another thing we were not expecting from Guatape was the beauty of the city. It's filled with colorful tiles, bright umbrellas, and surrounded by a beautiful dam. To check out more about Guatape and the views you can see from a famous rock, check out the video in the description. I think it's fair to say most of us know about Pablo Escobar's history in Colombia, but one thing we didn't expect at all traveling to Colombia is a private tour to one of his compounds. This property was huge, with his home, pool house, club, and soccer field, just to name a few things. While walking around on his compound, we saw exotic trees that were imported from Africa, the beautiful views of the lake, and the remains of his property.
We are walking around Pablo Escobar's old house and we saw his nightclub. It's crazy. There's like literally holes in the walls, completely busted out. But the history here is insane.